Welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about something very important, something that silently shapes our life, our growth, and our emotional strength. Not everyone who walks with us is meant to stay forever. Some people come to teach us, some come to help us grow, and some come only for a short season. Understanding this truth saves us from disappointment, emotional pain, and false expectations. When we understand people clearly, we stop blaming them and start protecting ourselves. So today, we will learn about the 3 types of people we meet in life. And we will begin with the first type. Part 1. Leaf people. Leaf people are the most common people we meet in our life. They are called leaf people because just like leaves on a tree, they are not meant to stay forever. 1. Leaf people come for a short season. Leaf people enter our life during easy times. When life is smooth, when things are comfortable, when success is visible, they are around us. They laugh with us. They talk with us. They enjoy our company. But their presence is seasonal, not permanent. 2. They are there for convenience, not commitment. Leaf people are not deeply connected to us. They stay because life is easy, benefits are available, comfort is present, fun is happening. They are not there because of loyalty, depth, or long-term connection. When effort is required, they slowly disappear. 3. You cannot truly rely on leaf people. Leaf people are unreliable in difficult times. When problems appear, pressure increases, struggles begin, expectations rise, they step back. Not always loudly, often very quietly. They do not fight with us. They do not argue. They simply fade away. 4. Leaf people take what they need. Leaf people usually take attention time, emotional energy, support, benefits, access. They enjoy what the moment offers. But once they get what they need, or once the situation changes, their interest fades. They move on to the next comfortable place. 5. They enjoy the moment, not the journey. Leaf people love moments, not journeys. They are present when things are fun, rewards are visible, success is showing, energy is high. But journeys include struggle, patience, waiting, effort, uncertainty. Leaf people do not stay for journeys. 6. Their exit is usually silent. One painful thing about leaf people is how they leave. They do not always say goodbye. They do not explain. They do not give closure. One day, we just notice. Fewer messages, less effort, reduced presence, growing distance. And slowly, they are gone. 7. Leaf people are not bad people. This is very important to understand. Leaf people are not evil. They are not always selfish. They are just seasonal. They came to serve a moment, not a lifetime. Expecting more from them creates pain. Understanding them creates peace. 8. The mistake we make with leaf people. The biggest mistake we make is trusting them deeply, depending on them emotionally, expecting loyalty, expecting consistency. But leaf people were never built to carry weight. Leaves cannot hold storms. They fall when pressure comes. 9. What leaf people teach us. Leaf people teach us. Not everyone stays. Not everyone is meant to grow with us. Not everyone deserves access to our inner life. Not everyone who smiles is permanent. They teach us awareness. 10. How to deal with leaf people. When we recognize leaf people, enjoy the moment, keep boundaries, do not overattach, do not overexpect, do not depend emotionally. Accept them for who they are. When they leave, do not chase. Do not beg. Do not feel ashamed. Leaves fall naturally. Leaf people are part of life. They come, they take, they enjoy, and they leave. Because in the end, some people are in our life not to stay, but to show us who should not carry our future. Part 2. Branch people. After leaf people, the second type of people we meet in life are branch people. Branch people are different. They look stronger. They stay longer. They give more support. But even branches have a breaking point. 1. Branch people seem strong at first. When branch people enter our life, they feel dependable. They listen. They help. They encourage. They stand beside us. They appear solid, like a strong branch on a tree. Because of this, we start trusting them more. 2. They stay longer than leaf people. Unlike leaf people, branch people do not leave quickly. They stay during early struggles, small failures, initial pressure learning stages. They walk with us for a while. This makes us believe they will always be here. But this belief is dangerous. 3. Branch people can support only limited weight. A branch can hold some weight, but not all. Branch people can support us. When problems are manageable, when pressure is normal, when life is balanced. But when responsibilities increase, pressure becomes heavy, emotions grow intense, expectations rise, they begin to shake. 4. Pressure reveals the truth. Life tests people with pressure. When life becomes difficult, stress increases. Patience is tested, sacrifices are needed, consistency is required. This is when branch people struggle. They do not leave because they hate us. They leave because they cannot carry the weight. 5. Branch people break, not fall. This is important to understand. Leaf people fall naturally. Branch people break. Breaking hurts more. Because they promised support. They stayed longer. We depended on them. We trusted them deeply. Their exit feels like betrayal, even if it is not intentional. 6. Their disappearance is sudden. Branch people often leave suddenly. One moment they are supportive. Next moment they are distant. They stop calling. They stop showing up. They stop standing with us. When things get too heavy, they quietly remove themselves. 7. Branch people are not enemies. This is where wisdom matters. Branch people are not villains. They are not always fake. They simply have limited strength. They wanted to help, but they were not built for long-term pressure. Expecting roots from branches creates disappointment. 8. The biggest mistake we make with branch people. Our biggest mistake is putting full emotional weight on them, depending on them for stability, trusting them with our deepest struggles, expecting them to hold us forever. But branches are not roots. They can help, but they cannot hold storms. 9. What branch people teach us? Branch people teach us strength has limits. Support does not mean permanence. Not everyone who stays longer will stay forever. Pressure reveals real capacity. They teach us discernment. 10. Best advice. How to deal with branch people. Here is the most important advice. 1. Appreciate their support, but don't depend fully. Be grateful for what they give, but never give them full responsibility for your emotional life. 2. Keep your core strong. Build inner strength. Build self-reliance. Build emotional independence. Do not lean fully on any branch. 3. Prepare for change. People change. Capacity changes. Life changes. Mentally prepare for movement. 4. Do not hate them when they leave. Hate poisons your peace. Understand their limit and let them go with maturity. 5. Do not chase broken branches. Once a branch breaks, it cannot carry weight again. Chasing broken support only creates more pain. 11. The wisdom of branch people. Branch people are part of growth. They help us for a phase. Then life asks us to grow stronger on our own. They prepare us to value roots. Branch people are helpful, but not permanent. They support us until the weight becomes too heavy. Because in the end, leaves fall easily. Branches break under pressure. Only roots stay through storms. Part 3. Root people. After leaf people and branch people, there is the third and most important type of people in our life. They are called root people. Root people are rare. They are quiet. They are deep. And they are priceless. 1. Root people do not come for attention. Root people do not help us to be seen. They do not support us to look good, gain praise, receive credit, feel important. Their care is silent. They help because they care, not because they want recognition. Just like roots, they work underground, unnoticed, but essential. 2. Root people stay during hard times. Anyone can stay when life is easy. Root people stay when life is painful, money is tight, confidence is low, health is weak, success is gone, hope feels distant. They do not disappear in storms. They stay, hold us steady, and help us stand again. 3. Root people support without conditions. Root people do not say, "I'll stay if you succeed. I'll stay if you help me. I'll stay if you change." They accept us as we are. They support growth, but they do not leave when growth is slow. Their support is not transactional. It is emotional and genuine. 4. Root people accept the real you. Root people see our flaws, our fears, our failures, our past mistakes, and they still stay. We do not need to pretend with them. We do not need to impress them. With root people, we can be real. 5. Root people give strength, not dependency. Root people do not make us weak. They do not carry us forever. They help us stand on our own. They encourage us to grow stronger, wiser, and more independent. Their goal is not control. Their goal is stability. 6. Root people protect you when you are not present. This is a powerful sign. Root people speak well of us when we are absent, defend us when we are criticized, protect our name, guard our dignity. They do this even when we never know. This is loyalty. 7. Root people stay through every season. Seasons change. Success comes and goes. Failure appears and disappears. Life rises and falls. Root people stay. In winter, in summer, in storms and sunshine. They are not seasonal. They are permanent. 8. Root people are few, not many. Most people have. Many leaf people, some branch people. Very few root people. Sometimes only one. Sometimes two. Quality matters more than quantity. One root person is worth more than 100 leaves. 9. The mistake we make with root people. Often we ignore them, take them for granted, give time to the wrong people, realize their value too late. Root people deserve respect, gratitude, time, care, protection. Do not lose roots while chasing leaves. 10. How to recognize root people. Root people show up when nothing is to gain, stay when things go wrong, listen without judgment, correct us with love. Celebrate our growth quietly. Do not compete with us. Want our peace, not our position. 11. How to treat root people. 1. Protect them. Do not expose them to drama. 2. Respect them. Their presence is a gift. 3. Be loyal in return. Loyalty must go both ways. 4. Listen to them. They often see what we cannot. 5. Stay consistent. Do not disappear when life improves. Leaf people come to enjoy moments. Branch people come to help for a phase. Root people come to hold life together. Because in the end, leaves fall, branches break. But roots hold the tree upright in every storm. If we are blessed with even one root person, we are rich. And if we become a root person in someone else's life, we become invaluable. Before we end this video, remember this truth. Not everyone who enters our life is meant to stay forever. Some people come like leaves, some stay like branches, but only a few remain like roots. Leaves teach us awareness. Branches teach us strength. Roots teach us the meaning of loyalty. Do not feel hurt when people leave. Feel grateful for those who stay. Protect your root people. Be thankful for them. And try to become a root person in someone else's life. If this video helped you understand people better, like this video, share it with someone who needs clarity today, and subscribe for more meaningful graded reader life lessons. We will see you in the next video.